Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a music to a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Premiere Pro, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding music to a video in Adobe Premiere Pro is a straightforward process. Alright, now once you have opened the video here in Adobe Premiere Pro, all I have to do is go to the file section that is on top of the left side panel of your dashboard. And I want you to click the file and then click the import or import recent file if you want it. The shortcut is going to be Control+I or Command+I on your keyboard if you're using Mac. Now all I have to do is locate the music that you wanted to add in Adobe Premiere Pro. In this case, I'm going to be using this, an example. Click that and click the open. It will be added to our dashboard right here. Wait for it. Now the file has been added here. I'm going to drag it here. So we have now third elements. You see, you can drag it to the V1 because that's for the video. You can only add it on the audio section. All right. Now, once it's added right here, you would notice that the audio has been playing here with the volume is turned up here on the left side. You can gauge it. Now, once the video is added, you can do a lot of things. You can cut it right here. If you want to cut the video, click the eraser tool. You can expand it again if you want. You can right click and click this fade duration. You can increase the volume, speed for the audio. You can also have the option to slow it down by pressing the speed clip duration right here, and of course click the minus, so it's going to be a lot slower. So you can do all these. All right, then just make sure that the audio tracks very well to the video that you're working. You also have an option to correct any noise here. By clicking the windows, click the essential sounds. You can use a dialogue, music, as effect, and ambience, just to make sure that your audio or the music that you're using blends perfectly well with your section of your videos here. You can do all these: background voice, enhanced speech, and a lot more. All right. If you right click on it, there is a section here to show clip frames, reveal in Explorer, and reveal in properties, and show gain to adjust all the information depending on how you want to manipulate the music in your Adobe Premiere Pro project to enhance the overall mood. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.